Hello, everyone, welcome to ComPDF YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to create a C# PDF viewer for Windows applications by integrating ComPDFKit PDF SDK. Before starting, please check whether you have met these requirements. How to download ComPDFKit C# PDF library for running the web demo. Visit ComPDF website and click the Guide Windows Guides. Click the Download. Click the Code button and choose the Download ZIP option. ComPDFKit offers a 30-day free license for you to test the project. Visit ComPDFKit Contact Sales page. Fill in the required information and choose the platform as Windows. Then click the Submit. Then, our sales team will contact you as soon as possible. Now, start with following steps. Step 1. Create a new project. First, fire up Visual Studio 2022 and click Create a new project. Then, choose WPF app. Click Next. Next, set your project name and choose the location to store your program. Finally, click the Create button. There are two ways to add ComPDFKit to your project, using NuGet to integrate and manually integrate. Number 1. Using NuGet to integrate. First, open your project solution, and in the Solution Explorer, right-click on References and click on the menu item Manage NuGet Packages. Then, install the package by clicking the Installs button in the panel on the right describing the package. Once done, you can see how the NuGet package is referenced in the References section in Solution Explorer. Number 2. Manually integrate. Open the ComPDFKit SDK package that you have extracted and go to the lib folder. Copy the x64 folder, x86 folder, ComPDFKit.net.dll file, and ComPDFKit viewer.dll file to the folder with the same name as your project that you created in 2.4.1. Then click the Show All Files button in the Solution Explorer menu. Find and right-click the files you added before, and choose Include in Project. Use the APIs of ComPDFKit PDF SDK in your project, follow the instructions and add them to Reference. Click Add and click Reference. Choose Browse option and click another Browse button in the bottom right corner, and navigate to the ComPDFKit demo folder which is in your project. Select ComPDFKit.net.dll and ComPDFKit viewer.dll, the dynamic library. Then, click OK. Right-click ComPDFKit native.dll and click Properties. Please note, make sure to set the property copy to output directory of ComPDFKit native.dll to copy if newer. Step 3. Display a PDF document. Copy the code from ComPDFKit documentation page to replace the content of the file. Apply the license key that you obtained. If you don't have it, you can contact ComPDFKit to get it directly. Now, run the project and you will see the PDF file. By integrating ComPDFKit PDF SDK, it becomes very easy to create a C# PDF viewer for Windows applications. At the same time, you can contact ComPDFKit for timely response support no matter what problems you encounter during the process. ComPDFKit provides remote service support and unlimited error requests. Join us, improving your application and user experience has never been easier. That's all. Hope it can help you a lot.